Okay, go day class. Now this is Manship 123 online. I discuss about this rest of assessment and each of element. There's annex of their 5 step. Lima yung to rest of assessment. Lima. Lima ka step. First step is identify the hazard. Yung mga delikadong mga bagay doon sa engine room ba? Yan, iwasan mo yan. First is need work hazard. People could be harmed with those there the place of any day. An easy overlook hazard. Kanang na maga disturb sa imong gianan. Kanang mga dangerous of rolling. Mao na. Tips of help of identify of matters. Walk around must be proper PPE. Hmm? Must be proper PPE during your work or during your duty. Ha? Mao na. Mao na ang step 1. So now, the step 2. Basahin na niyo yung ano diyan. Ah, yung step niya kung ano yung mga remember about things of long-term hazard to health, no, yan, to high level of noise, yung sinasabi ko, yung mga ngamoy, naga-vibrate, naga-lake, ganon. Sabi mo doon sa opisyal. So, number 2 step, I decide of their might, of their harm, how, ha? This for each of their need of their clear about this might of harm because you are help to you and all the best of their managing rest and do not means of listening of everyone name but rather of their identified group of the people. Ha? The storeroom passage by, na? Kanang mga storeroom nimo naka-arrange ng mga spare parts na doy, lahat ng mga liabe na na ano nyo dati na identify spanner, number 14, millimeter, lahat ng mga ano, must be he knows and hindi maghahalo-halo, ha? Must be in the segregate of area, naman na yung mga marka diha doy. Di kayo magsabi na ganun, wala. Bakit? Hindi halo-halo eh. Di have arrangement. Pwede ka mo na may ano dyan sa YouTube, tinitingnan mo paano yan, magdatingan dahil dyan. So, the remember of separate of required the particular consideration. You have new, younger, for example, kung ikaw, wiper ka or kadite, so must be identified to work of theirs. Where is the place of theirs tools of the important on board? Kaliper. Doon man yan gitago doon sa may cabinet kasi hindi man yan ipa-common. Baka mawala. This is very important. You know already what is their burial caliper because he is already too individual to read and how much of the measurement. Ha? Na yung mga deck of carry up with the excess of frame, for example, is roll on of their pere, car, and deck. Car seat imong masakyan. So, step 3, evaluate the rest of the side of their precaution. Ha? They're having of their spot of their hazard and to be decide about them. The law of the required. Everything's of the reasonable of particulable to protect the people harm of their work. Ha? During sa imong work, alam na niyo yung forma, yung step, position, that in case of emergency, and then you make stop during the trouble, ug na trouble. They're organized. Uh, they have also their kanang sign. They have 3 sign of their dangerous motor. Heat, kanang init siya, naka-vibrate, or they are late, or they have a ground, ha? Or nag-trip siya, mura nang i-reset, you change to the other motor because they have a trouble. And then you make identify, you speak to the engineer, higher rank. Pwede po ganito na, basta engineer, sabihin mo lang nga ito kung sinong nagresponsibilidad dyan sa motor yan. Mostly, second engineer or third engineer or fourth engineer. Kung IC na, diretso na yan. So another, they have a step four. The record of finding of their implement them. Ha? Putting of their result of your assessment. Their practice will make of inference of looking after the people of their operation, writing down the result of your rest and assessment. Ha? Imo nang ilagbok. Ha? For example, imo nang ilagbok dito sa record book kung unsay na trouble anang kuan. Why? The superintendent on board the ship is looking. Why is this make of deck ni trouble? Huh? Mangutana ka dito sa kuan og imo bang ipasulat yan purifier, sunog, ganon. Must be chief engineer to write because he is make to the report. Ingno nimo, sir, ano ba yung ano daw, ilagbok yung ano, na sunog yung motor ng ano, doon sa lagbok. O sige, sulat mo lang. Record mo doon. May lagbok doon doy. Makakita kayo ng lagbok. May dala ako ng isang page na lagbok eh. Parang hindi kayo manibago pagdating doon. May mga remarks dyan. Tapos may pirma ng oiler, pirma ng engineer. Ha? Oh, and check of the rest of this have to perfect and may suitable sufficient of their need. Kamo na lay basa anak mataas kay na maos na ko. So, another, we have a 5 man, okay, 5 step. New rest of theirs and updated of necessary. Ha? In the workplace of their same of sonar, letter of their bring of the equipment. Oh, yan ang sinasabi ko. You bring for me barrel caliper. You bring for me ballpen hammer. You bring for me combination spanner. That is combination. Open and close. For example, you bring one set. Okay na. Kaya aron din na ka mo balik-balik doon. Must be he knows. And then the procedure. Oh, you see? The procedure to lead of hazard. Kanang na mga kuha nga delikado sa imong kinabuhi. Yung buhay mo. Ha? Sa buhay mo, hindi delikado. Must be always safety on board the ship, doy. This is very important. Aron wala problema. You know, if you have accident, for example, the nearest message of this, kaut ang ulos, kapitan, o chief engineer, labi na, o kuan, how to make, it's easy to make report, but it's the one of the crew is not a safety during of the operation. Magsabi si chief engineer, bakit hindi mo inano yung apply yung safety ng bata? Kasi magtanong yan, paano yan nadulas? Kasi yung ginagamit yan, ha? Safety shoes, hindi Adidas. Kahit palitan mo yon, sa bagay, either nasagi, unsa may nakasagi, unsa may naka-disattract ananaan during of your operation or they have a work. Ha? Bakit natumba? Bakit ganon? Bakit na laglag? Oh, bakit na nauntog? Bakit nahulugan? Hindi nag-helmet. Oh, yan. And planning to change, to live of yourself of flexibility. They have a code of this practice of their station according to amendment. Ha? Bantayan niyo na doy. So I hope you understand about this my discussion about this 5 step. Kayo na lang magbasa-basa. Alam ko naman yan na yan. Magbuti magbasa ni Muta. Pagdating ano niya, either og naapay sa sunod na yung yung mayroong Sabado dito eh. Wala mang Pero Friday, ngayon, Friday, it is online. Must be they have a Annex 1.25 step of rest of assessment. Ha? 5 ni sila doy. This is very important on board the ship. So I hope you understand to identify that matters of any or work or as of the employer. Katong na yung datihan na sa barko, magtanong ka, paano yon pag-operate? Paano pag-adjust? Huwag kang magsira-sira doon. I experienced before. Sinira yung bypass, putok yung bomba. At, yan ang mga daanan ko nung araw na mga experience sa iba kong kasama eh. Ha? So I hope you understand and read individual kasi pagka next meeting, I ask how to understand the 5 step of risk of assessment, ha? And the identify of hazard, ha? For example, mag-isa-isa ako. Paano ka nakaintindi? Naintindihan mo ba yung discuss ko yung sa Friday or what? Kaya hapit naman po ang exam. So, they have noticed are not immediately abuse of you because on board the ship. So, I hope you understand about this step of risk assessment. So, okay, I leave now. This is the all of this manship 1, 2, 3 because already individual to read of any kinds of uh, materials and important equipment or measurement. So, thank you very much. I leave now.